At that time, this was the only college offering MBA in business analytics. So, personally for me, life at Bennett has been a roller coaster, and the curriculum was quite good. So I found it intriguing. That's why I went on to join Bennett. Especially for me, I was willing to learn a lot. I got a lot from the university. I'm still getting a lot from the university.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू कॉलेज कोजू। यार हमारे साथ ना एमबीए के स्टूडेंट है, वो आपको बताएंगे प्लेसमेंट्स की भी बात होगी, इनके पैकेज के बारे में बात होगी, सारी चीज़ों के बारे में डिटेल में बात करेंगे कि एमबीए वर्थ इट है कि नहीं है बैनेट में। तो वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं वार्म इंट्रोडक्शन से। तो यार आप अपना ना नाम बता दो और स्टेट और कहाँ से आए हो आप और कैसे बैनेट को सिलेक्ट करा ये भी बताना।
Okay, so my name is Karthik Shukla. I'm from Haridwar, Uttarakhंड. So मेरी बेनेट की जर्नी काफ़ी impromptu थी because I was planning to go to Germany for masters, but my visa got delayed for a whole year. That's why I was looking for a master's program which included analytics, because prior to this I did my diploma in data science from IIIT Bangalore. So I was looking for something in analytics, and I came upon the website of Bennett because at that time this was the only college offering MBA in business analytics, and the curriculum was quite good. So I found it intriguing. That's why I went on to join Bennett.
और बैनेट में ज्वाइन करने के बाद आपने कंपैरिजन करा था कॉलेज को?
Actually, I did a lot of comparison between all the colleges that are in North. Since I'm from Uttarakhand, I was looking at UPS also, but it had a curriculum mostly related to energy and petroleum. That's why it didn't quite intrigue me. But yeah, I did compare a lot.
इसके बाद एक और बात करेंगे, एमबीए में ना प्लेसमेंट्स का बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है कि आप प्लेसमेंट्स कैसे जाएंगे नहीं जाएंगे।
Yeah.
तो प्लेसमेंट्स का क्या सीन है और इंटर्नशिप्स कैसे मिलती है यहाँ पर?
ओके, सो प्लेसमेंट्स का सीन काफ़ी टफ रहा है क्योंकि इस टाइम इंडस्ट्री में कंपटीशन बहुत है. दैट्स व्हाई प्लेसमेंट्स हैव बीन टफ. बट starting with internships, I myself got an internship with Times OH, which later got converted into a PPO. Okay, so some internships were going great. We have 6 specializations: so marketing, finance, media management, business analytics, and logistics and supply chain. So yeah, internships were good. Summer internships, we mainly focus on summer internships. And coming to the placement process, it's still going on, and you would be delighted to know that I was a part of the placement committee for my batch. So yeah, I have seen how much effort and what luck actually plays a role in the placements as well. So yeah, the placement process is currently ongoing, and we have more than half of a batch placed as of now.
And like what's the stipend they are paying, like the placement cell or you can say the internship, जहाँ पर आप इंटर्नशिप करते हो तो वहाँ पर क्या क्या स्टाइपेंड्स रहते हैं, जो स्टाइपेंड्स के बारे में बताओ।
Yeah, so stipends vary depending on the company as well as the roles. But mostly the flow is of companies which offer unpaid internships, but the role as well as the organizations are really good. So if you are looking for some internships, I would say do not focus on stipend. Just look at the role first, and then look at the organization which is offering you the role.
एग्जैक्टली।
Yeah, that's the whole point of internships, like learning a lot.
ठीक है, अब हमने काफ़ी बात की प्लेसमेंट इंटर्नशिप की। व्हाट अबाउट द लाइफ इन बैनेट यूनिवर्सिटी?
Okay, so for me, life at Bennett has been a roller coaster. Like when I came, I was kind of shy person, but I didn't know that Bennett had so much exposure to give me. I first got into the placement committee. I've been part of placement committee. I'm still a part of the placement committee, and I have been in the multimedia team working closely with the marketing department, and I have been part of more than 30 events, including the international events that we have. We recently held the India's first international paddle tournament in Bennett University, as well as the national pickleball tournaments. So we got to meet a lot of international players as well as the national players of both paddle and pickleball. And I think Bennett is the first one to offer these sports in India as well.
या एग्जैक्टली।
Yeah.
व्हाट अबाउट द स्पोर्ट्स, एज यू सेड कि स्पोर्ट्स का भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा रोल है,
Yeah.
तो स्पोर्ट्स एंड जिम का क्या सीन है?
Uh, I think Sports BU, the authority which overlooks all this, is doing an absolutely amazing job, because the kind of exposure, the kind of equipments, and the kind of push they are offering to the students to move forward in different fields. Because we have students competing in all sports. You can name any sport, we have our student competing in that particular sport. So the outlook is very pretty much good here.
Are you living in hostel?
Yeah, I'm a hostler.
What about the hostels facilities?
So since we are masters, enrolled in masters program, so we got double sharing occupancy. So it has been quite comfortable for us. It also helps us in our studies as well as the maintaining the overall environment for what is actually required in a master's program. So yeah, it has been quite good.
चीज़ मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी कि किस डाइवर्सिटी से स्टूडेंट्स आर कमिंग, लाइक किस स्टेट से ज़्यादा आते हैं?
Okay, so I think the Bennett is doing on point marketing regarding to that, because particularly for my batch, we had students even from Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So my batch is full of diversity. It has students from each state, I would say. So diversity actually is playing a lot of role in our MBA.
एग्जैक्टली। और जो बैनेट फीस लेता है 12 लाख, इज इट वर्थ इट टू गिविंग इन एमबीए? इससे भी कम में भी तो एमबीए हो जाता है ना?
इससे कम में हो जाता है, बट बेनेट में भी लाइक दे हैव स्टेटेड अ पर्टिकुलर फीस विच आई थिंक इज justified, but they do also offer you scholarships. So you get, if you even get a 50% scholarship straight away, it comes down to 6 or 7 lakhs LPA, which is a absolutely great deal for doing an MBA. Plus what Bennett offers, it completely justifies it.
तो क्या क्या ऑफर करते हैं बैनेट इस फीस रेंज में?
Okay, so like for me particularly, my main attraction which got me quite interested in this whole program was the global immersion program that Bennett University offers. So I think last year in May we went to Singapore, and not just to any university but to National University of Singapore.
Wow.
We had a stay for more than 1 week over there. Actually three batches went from our particular batch because the batch size is quite big. So we went to NUS, and the next batches went to MDIS Singapore. But it was a great experience. We got to learn a lot from the faculties over there also. We got to explore whole Singapore because it was all included in the fees itself. There is no additional charges for that, no visa charges, no ticket charges. University takes us. We enjoyed a lot. We gained a lot of experience, and I think it is one of the most selling point for our MBA.
और बिजनेस सूट्स वगैरह लैपटॉप्स भी provide
Pertaining to business suits, like it's not a necessity, like there's not a uniform compulsion here, but it is absolutely required for placements as well. When you are sitting for placements or when you are attending the classrooms as well, you are required to maintain a formal attire. So that is one thing, but there is no compulsion as such of a uniform.
सबसे
Yeah.
अच्छी बात है यार, काफी यूनिवर्सिटीज में ना
Yeah.
यूनिफॉर्म पहनना कंपलसरी होता है, बिजनेस सूट्स तो बहुत
Yeah.
ही ज्यादा।
But I think Bennett takes care of that also, because they provide us with stationery as well as some cool looking bags, professional bags for us to carry around.
इज इट वर्थ इट टू एनरोल इन बैनेट? अगर बैनेट से अच्छा भी अगर किसी को यूनिवर्सिटीज है मिल रही है?
Definitely, like every person has its own scale of measuring a university, and what first and foremost is what actually do you want from a university. I would say if you have the capability, if you have the willingness to get the most out of a university, you can get anything you want out of a university. Especially for me, I was willing to learn a lot. I got a lot from the university. I'm still getting a lot from the university. So I think each and every university has a lot to offer. It's just all upon you how much you want to be putting your efforts.
Right. So thank you so much giving your valuable time and like making this video more informative. So thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.